Before starting a more intense rebounder workout, it's pretty crucial and necessary that we warm up. So join me for 5 minutes to get the body primed, the joints lubricated, and that lymphatic system pumping. Okay, so let's ease into that warm up. Take a nice wide stance on your rebounder, and let's just start with one deep breath. Let's take a big breath in, focus on that inhale, and get really tall. Lift the posture up. And then bend those arms to a goalpost shape. Walk those feet hips distance parallel. We're gonna start with a little prance. You're lifting one heel, then the other. You're stretching out the arches of the feet. Really important to warm up the feet, the toes, before we get into more intense jumping. Let's add a little arm reach as we switch legs. One heel down, one heel up. You got it. Good, so from the side, just alternating heels. Looking good. Let's start to pick the tempo up. So both heels up and we reach for the ceiling. So we're pumping the calves. This is gonna really help with circulation, that lymphatic flow that a lot of us come to rebounding for. I know I do. Hey, if something can help me depuff and detox, I'm there for it. Use the tools if we've got them, right? Big breath in, deep breath out. Now the rebounding when we jump is gonna really work the calves. So this is good to warm up, but are we already burning there? I can feel it. Okay, drop those heels. Let's take a torso twist. So I want you to try to turn through your waist. Continue to focus on a really deep breath in and growing tall through your body. And as you exhale, I want you to pull your lower belly in. So inhale, you're getting tall, shoulders are relaxing. Exhale, you're drawing those deep core muscles in. That's really important. The lower ab, the pelvic floor connection for when we jump helps support our spine. So just layering in some ideas for when you do start to jump. Important reminders to keep your body safe. Let's add a knee to the twist. So twist left, bring your elbow to your knee, twist right, elbow to knee. So opposite elbow to knee, rotating across the body. We're getting a little bit deeper into that core work. Exhale, knee to elbow, pull the stomach back. Good, let's do 2 more. Last one. Come to center, feet are planted, side body stretch over to the right, and then through center, side body stretch over to the left. Let's take a big inhale as we lean over, and then exhale, draw the abs in to lift. Inhale, stretch it over. Exhale, pull it up. Think of sending your hips away from the direction your arm is going. That will just intensify this stretch a little bit more. Let's take one more each way. Big breath in. Tone the abs, deep breath out. Last one. Big breath in, deep breath out, pull it up. Side body stretch over to the right, and this time you're gonna lift that right knee up and bring it to your elbow. Whoop, little bit of balance here. And then when you side bend over to the other side, knee to elbow. Good, going across the body, we're contracting our obliques. That's the side of the abdominal wall, and we're working on our balance. Yeah, when we're jumping on this thing, balance is definitely important. Stretch. Trying to stabilize through that supporting foot is also gonna wake up all those little muscles in your foot, right? That's why it is really great to work out barefoot. We strengthen all these muscles that don't get used when we wear a shoe quite so much. Good, let's take it one more each way. We're about to get into a little jumping. Last one. Okay, arms to a T, little circles forward, and give me a nice soft bounce. And so if you typically rebound with me, you know I walk you through a basic bounce in my beginner routines. So right here, establish that your foot is landing, the whole foot, not just the toes or the heel. Your knees are softly bent, so we're not jumping on straight legs. See, I just demoed that, so don't lock those knees out. And now reverse your arm circles for me. And our core is in, which we work during the warm-up. Okay, we're gonna do one last move coming up. it is more intense. This final move is to prime you, your heart rate, get it up there, so that you can go straight into a workout, right? Okay, so we're gonna be doing bicep curls with high knees, and then butt kickers with a chest press. So knees up, bicep curls, and kick your chest press, like you're pushing air back behind you. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Okay, we're gonna go 30 more seconds, and maybe just pick the tempo up a little bit. Good, I'm doing 4 high knees and 4 butt kickers. When we bring the knees up, we're lifting from our core. When we kick our heels back, we're stretching out the knees and the hip flexors. Okay, last 10. Already getting that heart rate up. You got it. Last one right here. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys, you are primed and ready to crush your rebounder workout. Thanks for joining me with this warm-up. You can do this every time before you work out, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. So don't forget to subscribe so that I see you on the next one. Bye, guys.